What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about the Logitech oh my god, I knew he was going to fall. Alright, back to what I was saying, the Logitech C920s Pro HD webcam from Logitech. I said Logitech already. Here it is. This is the front, side, back, side, top, bottom. And I already opened this box and this was in there, so skip past that. I kind of cut this already, but just for the people that like seeing things get cut or sick, need some help. So there you go, I helped you out. You didn't even see that knife sitting over there. See, that cardboard was under the camera, so it kind of raised it up for the, when you open it, it's bam, right in your face effect. So that's why it's kind of down in there. And let me take it out. All right, so wires get caught up in all the cardboard, so it kind of like speeds up the video. And sticker, you guys want to hear the, let's wait for the car. Okay, good. One more time, I just like hearing that. Oh man. Little mount for your monitor, laptop, whatever you want to monitor on. This unfolds right here. Cool, very cool. Hard plastic, me likey. Not too heavy, but it feels like it has some weight to it, like they actually took their time to make it and get like little nails and make the little holes by hands by themselves. What else is in the box? Shutter cover to cover the camera so no one's spying on you. Instructions. More instructions. Just clamp it on the front, just like that. Like you do whatever you want to do, your little dance, your little whatever you do that no one wants to see you do. And now you can stop because everyone's watching you. Conspiracy, everyone's watching you. Let's see if this mounts on a regular tripod, which I'm sure it does, but you want to see it, I want to see it. If I'm watching a video, I would want to see it. Oh my god, can't find a hole. Should have said that. There it is. Take this off. You guys can look at the camera one more time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everything in this video will be linked in the description below. And one more thing, trying to find this in stores is hard, man. Like sold out everywhere I looked. I had to buy this online. Guess with the whole coronavirus thing, homeschooling, people working from home, everyone needs a webcam. And this is probably, I'm not sure if it's the best, but it's Logitech. The name sells, so that's why it's sold out. And that is it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. I have a lot of stuff that I'm going to be unboxing in the future. Show some support and, you know, come back. Like, comment, subscribe. This is Low Key Fanatic. And I'm out. Should I drop it? Yeah, I'm gonna drop it. Oh, fooled you. I ain't dropping this. Crazy. I hope I didn't mess this part up because it's kind of attached. Oh crap, I just shouldn't have did that. Where's my receipt?